Alright, so it is a couple days later. I'm just now leaving Quickfill. I've been sleeping in the parking lot. Great joke, that was hilarious. Nutter? What is that? Is it? I think it's like peanut butter and marshmallow and stuff like that or whatever. I don't know, but like what kind of name is that? I was talking about the ice cream flavor of the day. I probably could have given context to that, so I guess I'll do it now. But yeah, if you're wondering where I just randomly thought of Fluffer Nutter, it's the flavor of the day at Meadows, if anybody was curious, even though this will be outdated information. This new mic is really annoying because the stuff I have on it is like very fluffy and it keeps going in my mouth and getting on my tongue, and it's really pissing me off. The last mic was just wrapped in like foam, like you put on an Xbox mic. This has something else on it that's like a lot longer, which I found out was like when I looked into it before I made it, was apparently better for wind noise, which is obviously what I need. I just don't like it being in my mouth. That's what she said. Sorry. I'm pretty sure the white line is right there. You're the way up there in the middle of the intersection. Not sure how that one works. I thought you were supposed to, you know, stop behind the white line and wait there. Got a pimped out Hyundai. I hope something interesting happens because I very quickly ran out of stuff to talk about. I talked about it all in the first video, so now I'm kind of like just being reactionary. Maybe don't brake in the middle of the intersection, please. The cop is clearly occupied if that's why you were braking. How old do you think that is? That's gotta be at least like 2 years old. It's a pretty old house. Autism, Mom. Hey! I have one of those. Represent. Oh, dude, look at the wind. It's definitely gonna rain. That was a lie. There's no way it's not going to. I mean, the dark clouds are kind of gone, but it's still pretty breezy. I'm not talking Chris. Sorry. I'm bombing today. Call me over. Compensating. That guy's compensating. Everyone point and laugh. Just kidding. Don't do that. We don't promote hate or negativity on this channel, unless it's towards nobody. Positivity over here. No, that part's actually not a joke. Like I do want this channel to be very positive, which is weird because I'm pretty like pessimistic person most of the time, but I'm trying to fix that. I've gotten a lot better. Aw, man, almost had it. Great. There's more detour signs. Which road is closed? Shocker, I can't ride anywhere without hitting construction. love it. I don't have any room to lean into these. That J's aren't really the best riding shoes. I mean, there's like some ankle support to them, but they're very heavy and bulky, so they're not the best for certain things, like, I don't know, foot positioning and stuff, I guess. Which road is it that one? Because that's where I was gonna go. Son of a, that road's closed. Awesome, I think. Or am I don't know, because there's I'm just gonna go straight and then turn around if this is the road with construction. I don't know what East Pike Road is. What does it say? Traffic ahead, thanks. Cool. It smelled really good back there. Like, I literally don't know how to explain it besides like nature. But yeah, right here, like it's very fresh air, which is nice. For those of you that don't ride, maybe you just watch riding videos because you don't ride, but you like watching other people do it, or you can't ride yet, or whatever it is, you don't ride. Like, one of the coolest things about riding is the temperature difference. So like, I guess I could just categorize the whole thing as atmospheric changes that you go through. So like, right now the air is like pretty chilly, like cold, but then there'll be certain spots I hit where it's really warm. So you can feel different air temperatures as you're riding. Like even going at the same speed, you will feel different temperatures. So that's something that, like right now it just warmed up. So that's something that's pretty cool. And it's also like different smells a lot. Like you can smell fresh air, or you can smell restaurants, like whatever. You smell a lot better than you would in a car, and that's fun. So like that's something that's pretty cool that you get to experience on a bike and not a car. And it's also like, it's weird because you can take the exact same road but notice way more on a bike because you just feel like more free and open, and you get to just look around and stuff. You know, in a car obviously you can't look around as much because you're controlling a much bigger vehicle, whereas I have plenty of extra room on each side of me, so I have time to just look around and observe my surroundings. So it's really cool. I don't know, just a little fun fact, I guess. That is a state trooper. They got a lot of unmarked cars recently in the area, which I don't like. Oh, we're here to protect and serve you, but we're going to camouflage ourselves as much as we can. Camouflage is for hunting. So, you tell me. I was thinking about pulling over into there. Okay, good thing I didn't. It's all rocks. To like start the next video. Because I think this one should be good enough. Not good enough, but like, you know what I mean, long enough. Like I have enough recorded to make a video out of it, I think. So I'm just gonna end up going up here now. I actually just realized, yeah, I'm gonna have to turn around anyways, because the whole reason I came this way was to avoid that road. I think. Well, yeah, I gonna be honest, I don't know if that road has construction on it or not. I don't think it does, but it's a very small back road, so I don't want to go on it and then find out that it does. So I'm just going to go back the way I came, because that way I know for sure there's no construction, and I don't have to worry about that. I'm not going to get stuck going slow. So next video will kind of be like the reverse of this video. That's good to know. That's where the court is for this county. In case I ever need to go there. Now I know. I was gonna go pull into Sheets, but quick fill would be... Oh, look at that. I started the video at quick fill, and I'm gonna end it at a different quick fill. That was entirely on accident, but it works out. That guy is staring at me from in there, and it's a little creepy. I'm gonna get out of here ASAP. So, yeah, thank you for watching this one. The next video is gonna be starting at quick fill again. But I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in like 2 more minutes.